there is complete facility. Because pūrṇam, whatever is done by Krishna, that is complete. You cannot find out any flaw in it. His potencies are so complete that Svābhāvikī jñāna-bala-kriyā. Just like a child, if you love, immediately there is some response. And if you slap the child, immediately crying response. So these things are not to be learned. Svābhāvikī. Automatic. Similarly, because Krishna or God is complete, whatever he does, it is complete. You cannot find out any flaw. You cannot say, oh, why God has done this. Just like sometimes some foolish persons, they say, why God has made somebody poor and somebody rich. This is the most foolish question. Yes, if God has done it, then it is complete. There is no flaw. Just like if the state orders somebody to be murdered, to be killed, that is complete. You cannot find out any law, any flaw. That is complete execution of the law. So, if we cannot find out in man-made laws, how we can find out a fault in God-made laws? That is not possible. So, if you want to get out of this entanglement, there is complete arrangement, facility, complete facility. Tesam satadujuktanam bhajatang prītipūtvakam. There is another verse that those who are engaged in devotional service, Krishna says, yogakṣēmam vahāmaham. I take personal charge for their maintenance. This is complete arrangement. Just look to the karmi world. Now, so far, we are concerned, we have to pay installment $2,000 for this house. And we have to spend another $2,000 for our maintenance. So, $4,000, $5,000 we are spending. Can any karmi depend like that? Take practical example. Can they depend for paying $5,000 bills without any arrangement? They will have no sleep at night. And we are freely moving. Because we are sure Krishna will provide, and he is providing. Go anywhere in the karmi's world. Find out a such nice place, just like our temple. There is none. Whole Los Angeles city you cannot find. Such beautiful faces, such bright faces, you cannot find anyone. So this is complete facility. If you want to take advantage of your life, Krishna consciousness, then there is complete facility. Come to the practical point. There is no theoretical, it is practical, experimental. So therefore, there is complete facility for the small complete units. We have complete units, small. God is great and you are small. The small, just like a big machine, and there is a small screw. So, the complete facility, completeness of that small screw is to become fitted in that particular place. Then it has got value. And if it is out of touch of the machine, falls down, it has no value. So complete facility is there. Just yourself dropped into that hole and the screw is placed there, or it has value. When the screw is lost, you have to purchase from the store at the cost of $2. And when it is fallen down, it is not even worth 1 cent. The same screw. So we are complete units, so long we are attached to Krishna. Otherwise, useless. Jayasam pūrṇam sākṣāt ātma prabhamam īśvaram na bhajanti sānāt bhrashta patantadha. Why India has fallen down? Because the so-called rascal, they are claiming that I am Brahmin. But what is your occupation, sir? Oh, I am serving as a coolie. Is that Brahmin's business? Actually, I have seen India, a person, Tiwari he born of a Brahmin family and is pulling handcart with great labor. And some foolish person also offering respect, and he is offering blessings while drawing the cart. I have seen it. These things are going on. He does not know that now I am fallen. Why should I claim as Brahmin? I am cheating. So one should keep in his own position. If you want to become a Brahmin, then keep your position as the mouth of the Lord. Simply if you take thread ceremony and become something else, no, then you don't take that advantage, facility. Mouth of the Lord is when Krishna speaks from his mouth. He spoke the Bhagavad Gita from his mouth. So if you keep yourself to the business of his mouth, then you have to preach. Then you are Brahmin. Mukho bahu urupadebhyo. As we have got divisions in this body, this mouth, the arm, the belly and the leg, similarly, the gigantic body of Krishna, Virata Purusha, his mouth is this Brahmins, his arms are the Kshatriyas, his belly is the Vaishyas, and the legs are the Shudras, or the Brahmachari, Grihastha, Vanaprastha, Sannyas. So they have got different position in the different parts of the body of the whole, complete whole. So if you keep your position and act like that, take the facility, then you are complete. Otherwise, like the screw, you are thrown away, you have no value. So here it is stated, there is complete facility for the small complete units, namely the living beings, to realize the complete. To realize the complete, what is my relationship with the complete? And all forms of incompleteness are experienced only on account of incomplete knowledge of the complete. We are thinking that I am equal to God, I am God. This is incomplete knowledge. But if you know that I am part and parcel of God, that is complete. The Mayavadi philosophers, the atheists, they are claiming that who is God? I am God. That is incomplete. The human form of life is a complete manifestation of the consciousness. Now this complete consciousness you can divide in this human form of life. The cats and dogs, they cannot understand. If you don't take the facility, then you are atma-hanajana. You are killing yourself, committing suicide, as it is said. Atma-andhena, tamasa-brita, dāṅ-sri pityabhigachanti, jeke atma-hanajana. After death, prityavi. After pritya means after death. So, don't be atma-hanajana. Utilize your life in complete facility. That is our business. Thank you.